Found myself under a bridge, trying to get some time on my own. I need some, and I have to solve this. I can't lose all of my marbles before the big game. I showed up out here again. Cause I don't know where we are going. Could hazard a guess, but I like not knowing. I know you're under the water, I can hear you breathing. Notice me, I want you to notice me now. I know I'm feeling this. Oh, yes, I'm feeling this. Just do anything you want to know that I will stay, that I don't own all the thoughts in your head. And if I did, I leave them for you to think instead. But I don't know